and brethren all, it is indeed my honor and privilege to be given this enviable task of proposing what we consider the most important toast of the evening, the toast to our visitors. Visiting lodges is a great tradition in Freemasonry, dating back to the days of the operative Masons. Through visiting, we meet new friends, renew acquaintances, and we learn from each other. And most of all, we enhance the bond of our brotherhood. Someone once said that men, even if they don't have much in common, can sit, eat, and drink together in harmony. How much more so when we start as brothers? What a joy it is to find that a brother sitting next to you, who at the beginning of the evening was a stranger, but in the end becomes a friend. I'm so pleased to see that we have so many visitors this evening, not just from the usual 4 constitution here in New Zealand. Tonight we are fortunate to have a distinguished visitor from Canada in the person of Right Worshipful Brother David Hay. And furthermore, we also have another visitor from a faraway place, from the Grand Orient of Brazil, represented by Worshipful Brother Wilmer Sauder Jr. of Verdade Real Lodge. So on behalf of the Master and Brethren of the Prince of Wales Lodge, I'd like to thank all our visitors and friends for attending this auspicious occasion, the installation of our 148th Worshipful Master, Worshipful Brother Phil Blackler. You have indeed honored us by your presence and by adding colors to our proceedings. Brethren, I often heard from people who are not Masons that Freemasons are quite an exclusive group, and it's very difficult to get admitted. I always wonder why they have this misconception. And till somebody told me a story about a Mason Lodge that was holding its meeting in the ballroom of a hotel while their temple was undergoing some renovation. One night, a traveling businessman checked into the hotel, and then he saw all these men in black entering the ballroom. So he asked the receptionist who those men are. The receptionist replied, "Oh, those are Masons." The businessman said, "Oh, I always wanted to join the Mason Lodge. Do you think they will let me go join?" He said, the receptionist said, No, they're very exclusive." "Why?" asked the businessman. The receptionist said, "You see that poor man standing outside the door with a sword? He has been knocking on that door for the last 6 months." We should all try to dispel this myth that we are excluded, and try to promote Freemasonry to our friends and colleagues so that our brotherhood will flourish. To all our visitors, thank you again for your company and for your support. We hope you had a great time this evening and that you have enjoyed the ceremony, the food, the drink, and the good company. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future, as you're always welcome here at the Prince of Wales Lodge. Brethren of the Prince of Wales Lodge, please rise and bring a toast to our visitors. Please come again.